Alrighty guys, check out the Chevy Silverado here. We finished up installing some wheel lights. We also installed some rock lights on it. Just want to show you guys what it looks like if you are interested in getting some stuff like this done. So on the rear, we did the set of 3 on each wheel well. They changed colors. Also, the wheel lights. Lights up pretty nice. Right now it's not too dark, so at night they'll really light up. Looks pretty good. If you guys need any type of installs, you can contact us here at D's Garage. Look at that.